Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade the RAM in your 2018 Acer Nitro 5. So the Nitro 5 originally comes with 8 GB of DDR4 memory in a single channel configuration, which is not great. 8 gigs is sufficient enough, but once you get into some heavy multitasking or gaming, then 8 gigs starts to definitely be a bottleneck when it comes to the performance of the laptop, especially in single channel mode. So what I have here is a Kingston Fury 16 GB kit. It's a 2x8 kit of 3200 MHz DDR4 that we're going to be putting in this laptop. So make sure the laptop is completely powered down. You can tell by the power LEDs on the side that they are completely off. And just flip the laptop over. And I'll actually turn it around so you guys can see a little better. So what you're going to be looking for is this panel right here. And there's one screw that you have to take out. It's just a little Phillips head screw. So just take your screwdriver and remove it. It should come all the way out. And then there's this little part here that's kind of raised up that you can kind of stick your finger up and just unclip this panel. And this is your RAM slots. So what you're going to do, there's these two metal tabs on either side of the memory stick that are holding it in. You're just going to pull those to the side and the RAM stick should just pop up and you can just lift it right out. So we're going to open up our Kingston Fury 16 gig kit here. Like I said, this is an 2x8 kit, which means 2 sticks of 8 GB. This is something that I'd recommend generally for most laptops, is a 16 gig kit, dual channel of 3200 MHz preferably. You can go higher, but I feel like 3200 is kind of the sweet spot for price to performance. So I paid about $50 for both of these on eBay, brand new. I believe you can get them on Amazon as well for around $55. I'll leave links in the description for this exact kit if you guys are interested for yourselves. So what we're going to do, there is a notch on each of the slots, and then there's this little notch that also lines up with it on the RAM stick. So you just flip it over, reinstall the bottom one first, you just slide it in, kind of at an angle, and push it down till you hear a click. That means it is fully clipped in. And there we go. So then you just take your little panel, kind of slides into some of those holes, and then just push down and it clips in. And we can take our Phillips screw and screw it back down. So guys, I hope this tutorial helped you out. This is kind of a general upgrade for most laptops. Most laptops will have, a different position for their memory slots. Some laptops you'll have to take the entire bottom off to upgrade it, and some you won't be able to upgrade at all. So this is specifically for the 2018 Acer Nitro 5, but you can also use it to help you out if you're struggling with another type of laptop as well. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.